Alright, yeah, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove the chain tensioner. The other day I was about a mile or so deep in the woods, and my bar got pinched, and I didn't have all the tools I needed, so I just put some pressure on the tree, and the tree snapped, but it bent something in my tensioner right in there. I think it bent that long screw that's right behind the flat piece there, but let me see if I can hold this still. I'll show you what it does when I twist it. This is a Stihl MS 271. Now when I twist it, it still twists, but that thing just wobbles like that. It still goes forward and everything, but it wobbles. It doesn't slide, and I couldn't make it work, but it's pointless. I'm just going to take it all apart and get a new bolt. So to do this, you're going to need a flathead screwdriver. You're going to need a Torx wrench or screwdriver, whatever you have, for this one bolt right yonder, right there. And then something small. I'm using a piece from a nut cracker thing, but you could also use a smaller flathead. But first thing you gotta do, you gotta take this Torx bolt out. It's hard to do holding the phone and all this other stuff, but alright, I got it. And first you gotta use the Torx wrench or screwdriver, whatever you have, and get this one bolt out. Now after you get this one bolt out, everything will come out. I use my smaller either screwdriver or whatever you're going to use to get this white piece of plastic out. You do not want to lose this, though. You've got to keep that. That's what holds that pin in place. So those two pieces have came out. Now you just got to finesse this piece out. And some people like grabbing it from the front, but since mine is bent here, all I got to do is slide up underneath of this here, and then just put some pressure, and it'll pop right out. Just pull it back and forth, and there it is. Everything's out. Now the thing I thought that this piece right here was bent. It isn't. It's this bolt here that's bent, and it's only bent a little tiny bit. Like, you can see it right there, how the front of it dips down a little bit. That right there is where it's bent. You can see it better from this angle. Maybe you can't. But yeah, now all I gotta do is go to like Ace Hardware, get the replacement, and I'm good. So, alright, I'm out. Later.